Good afternoon or good morning or hello, my friends, whenever you are watching this. I wanted to quickly go over our suffixes, our word work for this week. We're working with the suffixes t, itty, ick, and ment. And if you'll remember, suffixes are parts of words that we add on to base words to change their meaning. So when we add that t or itty, we are changing the word to mean state of or quality, all right? For ick, geographic, it means relating to, all right? And then finally we have ment, which is the action or process of. I would like for you to pause this video, and I'd like for you to make this chart, all right? And then we're going to work together to fill in the words and write their definition. So go ahead and pause the video, create this chart, make sure you put what the suffixes mean, and then we'll complete the chart together. All right, hopefully you have paused and created this chart. Now let's go through what these words mean. So with the word safety, if you notice it ends with ty, right there, ty. So I'm going to write that word here, safety, all right? Now I have that suffix t, but my root word, my base word is safe. So when I add that suffix ty or t, it changes the definition of that word, and this word now means the state of being safe, all right? Or the quality of safe, the state of being safe, all right? Safety. Now, on this second word, and make sure you're taking notes with me, so if you need to pause and write this, you may. The second word is similarity. I have that suffix ity, itty, right? But if you notice, my root word is similar. So here I'm going to write that my word is similarity, but the definition would be the state of being similar. So if I were to say there is a similarity between me and Greg, we both like to read. So the similarity, the state of being similar, is that we both like to read, right? Our next suffix that we're working with is ick. Ick. And that means relating to, all right? So geographic. I have that suffix ick. My root word here, we actually changed a little bit. The root word here is actually geography, but we took off that y and added ick to change it from geography, which is the study of the earth or rocks or things like that pertaining to the earth. And we're changing that to relating to geography. So let's add that word geographic here. And our definition would be relating to geography. All right. So geographic studies, if I'm in school and I'm taking geographic studies, then that is relating to geography, all right, relating to the study of the earth. And then last but not least, we have disappointment. What do you think the root word is for disappointment? If we take off that ment, what's our base word? What's our root word? I'm hearing you guys say disappoint. Very good. That's our root word. That's our base, right? So disappointment is our word. And for our definition, we're going to put that means the action of being disappointed. And I'm not sure, I'm going to give a space, there we go. The action of being disappointed or feeling let down, right? It was such a disappointment that it rained on my birthday. The action of being disappointed. I was very disappointed. That was a big disappointment for me. All right. So your job is to make sure you have this chart filled out. On Friday, we will have a spelling test, and you're going to be doing something similar on the spelling test. You're going to be matching the root word to the word with the suffix, and then also giving me the definition. All right. Thank you very much for working along with me, my friends, on these suffixes.